down in my feet, down in my feet. I got that scouting spirit down in my feet, down in my feet to stay. I got that scouting spirit all over me, all over me, all over me. I got that scouting spirit all over me, all over me to stay. I've got that scouting spirit up in my head, deep in my heart, down in my feet. I got that scouting spirit all over me to stay. Spirit, I've got that scouting spirit.
Palakpakan po natin ang mga panauhin, mga scout officials at mga unit leaders. Maraming salamat po at magandang hapon sa inyong lahat.